Hey everyone. If HandBrake is using too much CPU on your PC, like your system becomes slow, laggy, or overheats during encoding, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix HandBrake high CPU usage and make it run more efficiently. First, lower your encoding preset. Using very slow or high quality presets puts a heavy load on your CPU and can push usage to maximum levels. Next, close unnecessary background applications. I mean, browsers, games, and other heavy software all compete for CPU resources and slow down encoding. Try reducing your video resolution, encoding at 720p instead of 1080p or higher significantly reduces CPU workload. Disable unnecessary filters. I mean, options like noise reduction, sharpening, or advanced filters can increase CPU usage a lot. Check your encoder settings as well. Switching between different encoding options can help balance performance and reduce load. If needed, limit CPU threads. I mean, this prevents your system from becoming overloaded while still allowing encoding to continue smoothly. And finally, make sure HandBrake and your system drivers are fully updated. Outdated software can cause inefficient performance and higher CPU usage. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix HandBrake high CPU usage on PC. Follow each step carefully, and your system should run smoother while encoding. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy solutions.